Hey, what's up you guys? It's Katrice and I'm back with another makeup video. Today I am going to try to mimic a makeup look that I saw one of my favorite YouTubers and Instagram makeup artists do. It was very bright and pigmented. I have one color that I have never put on my eyes, and that's the color that she used, so I'm going to try that. It was yellow. And I'm coming to you from my living room. As you can see, a lot of stuff going on, coronavirus and everything, so a lot of different stuff is in here since I have my sister staying with me. But anyway, back to the makeup. So today I'm going to be using a lot of Il Makiage. I guess that's how you say it, Il Makiage. I'm going to be using a lot of their products. I did test run a couple of other products during my vlogs. You probably saw it, and it just wasn't working for me. But they gave me a free foundation to try again, so got that. I also have their eyebrow shaper, and they also gave me some concealer. So I'm going to, I bought some concealer, so I'm going to be trying out their products, seeing how it works on me, and I'm going to try out a different foundation routine that I saw on TikTok actually, where you prep your face with a lot of different other stuff, more than what I would normally do. But I'm going to try that out and see how it works for me. So if you're interested in seeing how this makeup look turns out, just keep on watching. All right, so for my face, I'm going to start off with this matte finish makeup setting spray from GOV USA. I got it from the hair store, local beauty supply store. It's like $3 or $5. Lasts a long time, honey. That's all I need. Whew, I got it in my mouth. All right, so you have to let that dry first. All right, so that's pretty much almost dry. I'm not gonna keep doing that. And then next, you have to put on your primer. I'm just gonna, it's probably too much, but you know. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Skin Base Visage, whatever. And sorry if the lighting's not that great. It's been raining a lot, so it's like sunny, then dark, sunny, then dark, sunny, then dark. So we're just working, you know, we're trying. All right, so after you put the primer on, then you're gonna set your face. I'm using the Airspun Loose Face Powder in Translucent. I think it's in Translucent. Yeah, Translucent. I want to focus it on my T-zone, but I also want to get it on the actual base of my face. All right. All right, so next you're gonna put your foundation on. I'm using Il Makiage in 220 Woke Up Like This. That is supposedly my actual skin shade, which when I used it the last time when I was test running it, it did really match me. But I'm going to put like 3 pumps on my hand. 1, 2, 3, because it's not really full coverage. I'm going to take an already wet beauty sponge and just apply it all over my face. Okay, so even with 3 pumps, let me show y'all. Even with 3 pumps, you can still see like my dark spots on my chin. This side, not too bad, but you can still see it right there. I don't really have any on my face, on my forehead. But you see I would need like 1 more pump. So I'm gonna do 1 more pump. All right, so I have my foundation on. All right, so now that I have my foundation on, I'm actually gonna start doing my eyebrows now. I always use a eyebrow pencil that I get from the beauty supply store, and I always conceal with my MAC NW50 concealer, and I use my concealer brush All right, so I've done my eyebrows and I set my eyes for the foundation. But instead of foundation, I'm going to, you know what, not foundation, eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyeshadow. Now, y'all, I'm not a makeup artist, so don't pick on me, okay? So the color I'm going to be using is this yellow and more than likely this orange and then some browns. But the main base color was yellow. So I'm going to pack the yellow over my eyelids and a little bit above. I think I'm gonna wet the eyeshadow brush too. I'm gonna wet the eyeshadow brush with some setting spray, and I'm going to pack this yellow on my eyelids. I'm nervous, if you can't tell. Oh, he got 45 years. Watching first 48. Child, this is not packing. And let me try the other side where I didn't spray. That's better. All right, so I have the yellow on. So now I'm going to start working from the outer corner in. Starting with my brown as a orange as a transition shade, and then a brown. And then we're gonna go from there, okay, honey? So I'm going to be using, it's the color GNO in the Q8F ColourPop palette. I'm gonna be using this color right here. Y'all see that sun? Playing. Stop playing, bruh. Sorry, y'all probably can't even see it. I'm gonna just start doing this eye so you can actually see what I mean. Since the lighting is not hitting today. Put a little too much on this eye. All right, so I have both of those eyes done. So now I'm about to take a brown and I'm going to deepen the crease right in here and right in the inner corners of my eye. So I'm gonna take my e.l.f. I think this is called the eyeshadow brush, blending eye brush. I'm gonna take that and I'm going to take my favorite brown from that same palette. And I'm just going to deepen right here in the crease. So this is what it looks like so far. Blend it out. I'm not worried about this part because that's going to be concealed. So now I'm going to just do the same thing to this side. All right, so now I have my brown in the outer corner. To me, it's not looking real pigmented on camera, but it's a little bit more pigmented in person. But we're just gonna continue and we're gonna see how it ends up looking. All right, so on the picture, she actually has some yellow on the outer corners of her eye. So I'm going to try that and see how it turns out. Let me give y'all this side. So I'm going to pat it on first because, like I said, it has a lot of fallout. So I'm going to pat it on up here. And then blend it out with some orange and then blend it out with some brown. And we're going to see how this actually looks. Sorry guys, got interrupted with a phone call, but I did go ahead and finish. I put some yellow up there. You can't really see it. I didn't like how bright it was, but I did add some. And I went ahead and did my eyeliner and my mascara. So now I'm about to conceal under my eyes to get rid of that extra eyeshadow that I had there. And conceal and contour. So that's what I'm about to do. And I'm going to be using the Il Makiage. It's the I'm Flawless concealer in the number 14.5. I just like how it's a stick, because usually I don't have a stick. So, ooh, it might be a little too bright though. But I'm going to conceal. I like to go up past my eye. So it's like cuts off the edge. Like I told y'all, well, we're gonna conceal down. Get rid of those bags. And then I'm going to put a little right there. And then we're gonna conceal my chin, nose, cupid's bow, and forehead. And now I'm also gonna be using my Black Opal True Color Skin Perfecting Stick Foundation, but I'm gonna use it as my contour, and I'm just gonna add a little right there. Add a little right there on the sides of my chin, and then on the sides of my nose, right there, and right at the top of my face. And then I'm going to be using this beauty blender. It is clean, I just can't get the stains out, but I'm just gonna use this beauty blender and blend out everything. All right, and now I'm going to be using my Cleo Cosmetics, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but I'm going to blend out the contour. All right, so now that I have that blended out, I'm going to add my lashes and do a little highlight and and set my face, and then we'll be pretty much done. Oh, and I'm gonna add some mascara to my bottom lash line. Yeah, I never really do this either. Now I know why I didn't do it yet. I have to set my concealer with some powder. Y'all, I don't be doing makeup like that, y'all. Yeah, I got some left. So I'm going to pounce some powder on my under eyes and basically everywhere I just put my highlighter concealer. All right, so I have that in. Now I'm gonna finish with the eyeshadow. Not eyeshadow. Woo! Now I'm gonna finish with the mascara. I'm gonna add another layer on my top lashes. Make them full. All right, and now I'm finna go put on my lashes. Y'all know I can't do that on camera because I suck. But yeah, let me go do that and fix myself. All right, so I have my lashes on, so now I'm about to just spray my face with some finishing setting spray. Woo! And dry up. All right, so this ended up being the final look. I had to come to the light so you all can see how I did. But let me know what you all think. You know, I don't step out of my comfort zone. These lashes are a little much for me. I actually had to stack them for them to look right because they're so wispy at the end. Look like I was cockeyed, but I kind of like the yellow. Yeah, I kind of like the yellow. It matches my, like, it completes my skin tone. But yeah, that's the final look. Let me know what you all think. If I did a good job, leave this video a thumbs up. If you think there's something I need to improve on, leave a comment down below. No heart, no feelings hurt, okay? I understand. But yeah, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below as well. Turn on your notifications, and I'll see you on the next video.